Hi skiers, I'm Coach Parker.
I'm Coach Maddie.
And today we're doing level 2, lesson 2, double pulling. And so the main things to remember with double pull is you want to have your arms bent at 90 degrees, so just like this, as Coach Maddie demonstrates. And you want to have your pulls plant right in the middle of your foot, about where Coach Maddie has hers. Now, when you start moving forward, you want to remember going down and up, down and up. And so, Coach Maddie, will you demonstrate double pulling?
Alright, so down, up, down, up, down, up.
Perfect. Alright. So, down, up, down, up, down, up.
Hi, I'm Coach Maddie.
And I'm Coach Parker.
So today we're doing level 2, week 2, walking with pulls. So you know jumping jacks, which are. So I want you to think jumping jills, and Parker is going to demonstrate.
And jumping jills are basically running, but having yourself do really good. Opposite. Make sure they're opposite.
Yeah, always think jumping jills, opposite pole, opposite foot.
Alright, and now with the pole walking, you want to have almost like a jumping jill, but you start to move forward. You guys can do this even in your own backyard.